Hi guys! Good day everyone! Finally, meron ng kuryente after a month. And Wi-Fi of course, hindi pa available until now. Kaya nag-check-in kami dito sa Sen. Alam nyo guys, hi, it's really hard not to have Wi-Fi at saka electricity. Kaso nga lang, it's really time to shine again. Na-miss ko ang pagbablog, guys. Kaya, ito, taga-probinsya, taga-bundok, there's no electricity in that area almost a month, guys. It just depends sa, anong tawag nun? Generator and of course, solar system. Kaya guys, kung magkapera man kayo at hindi bibili kayo ng solar, it's really convenient. No need to use candles o yung mga pagsilawan, sabi ng Ilocano, yung may magas. Hindi na rin na pwedeng, we cannot buy that gas now. Sorry guys, it's all mixing my language kasi madikam mo nga sabihin na yung pagsilawan. So yun lang masabi ko guys. So make ready for the next disaster. So sana naman wala na. Pero it's really hard to have this kind of problem, lalo na typhoon. So anyway, hello to the people of Cebu. We've got the same problem and hope for fast recovery over there. Tsaka ang hirap talaga ang buhay pag ganun ang disaster. Ang hirap talaga guys. As lalo na pagka boat, yung may tubig, may flooding, tapos yung yung mga bundok na nagtatanggalan di landslide pala yun. And then of course here in Luzon, parts of Nueva Vizcaya, especially talagang super typhoon ang nangyari last time. So ang hirap talaga pagka meron tayong mga disaster na yun. Now, we have to prepare for the next one. Hopefully wala na, pero ang sabi nila, pag naumpisahan na ng disaster, ng super disaster from the beginning, baka meron na namang susunod. So, pagka meron na guys, be careful talaga na talagang we have to be prepared, everything, lahat-lahat na. Yung sa pagkain, I think we can survive, lalo na like us, like me, we live on top of the mountain. We have still something to eat. We're not going to have those refrigerated one, frozen one, kasi ang hirap, especially if you're not ready for the generator, solar. So if we have a little bit penny, prepare for the solar system or generator. Alam kong mahal, but we don't use that for every day, like the whole day and the whole night. So kailangan din natin yan for the future. Kaya guys, kung meron tayong mga ganyan for the next hopefully wala na, pero hindi natin we can't stop, we can't predict the weather here back in the Philippines, especially in Cebu. I mean saying that not only there, also in part of Mindanao or Visayas. So ingat-ingat, laban-laban lang guys. Pare-parehas tayo ng sitwasyon. So hopefully yun lang masasabi ko guys. And of course, salamat naman at we are all blessed still. And then of course, meron ng Wi-Fi in other places, not in my place yet. That's why we've been here in the city at the moment. Kasi ang hirap din ng sometimes na may guest ka and then you still on top of the mountain, there's no Wi-Fi, there's just like no life. But living on top of the mountain is really refreshing, organic, everything is good. Feel talaga na taga-bundok talaga. Yes, it's really good life in sa bundok, part of Basta sa bundok sa Gibanbantay ko ma. Kaya guys, get ready for the next disaster. Sana nga nawalan pa. And of course, been saying, please pray up there and love yourself, love your neighbors, and of course, before we help others, help ourselves first. Yun lang masasabi ko, and take care everyone. I love you all. Talagang miss ko ang pagbablog ngayon. I've been missing this for almost more than a month. So, hope to see you guys again. Bye and God bless. See you around. Bye.